Welcome to this JAMDA author video presentation. I am Nami Ogawa, a dentist in the Department of Gerontology and Gerodontology, Tokyo Medical and Dental University, and the primary author of an original study on sarcopenic dysphagia. I will be discussing our article published in the June 2018 issue of JAMDA, the Journal of Post-Acute and Long-Term Care Medicine, entitled Ultrasonography to Measure Swallowing Muscle Mass and Quality in Older Patients with Sarcopenic Dysphagia. Sarcopenia is characterized by the decrease of whole body muscle mass and function. Sarcopenic dysphagia is characterized as swallowing difficulty due to a loss of whole body skeletal and swallowing muscle mass and function. Past reports have not focused on the relationship between sarcopenic dysphagia and swallowing muscle mass or intensity. Therefore, we felt the need to investigate this association in more detail. Dysphagia is a common condition in the elderly, which causes restricted oral intake. It is important to differentiate between dysphagia and sarcopenic dysphagia to provide the proper treatment, but until our study, it was difficult to distinguish between the two. We developed and verified a diagnostic algorithm for sarcopenic dysphagia. In this study, we evaluated swallowing muscle mass and quality by ultrasonography. Subjects were 55 patients 65 years of age and older from acute hospitals, convalescent rehabilitation hospitals, long-term care hospitals, and nursing homes. On the chart seen here, the subjects were divided into a non-sarcopenic dysphagia group and a sarcopenic dysphagia group. First, the presence of whole body sarcopenia was examined by gait speed, grip strength, and muscle mass of calf circumference. Second, the presence of dysphagia was examined. If the cause of dysphagia was not a specific dysphagia disease, the subjects were diagnosed as candidates of sarcopenic dysphagia. Furthermore, candidates of sarcopenic dysphagia was divided into two types: probable and possible sarcopenic dysphagia by measuring tongue pressure. The cutoff value of tongue pressure between probable and possible sarcopenic dysphagia was 20 kilopascals. We conducted 3 types of ultrasonographic measurements depending on each muscle type, using linear and convex array transducers. A probe was placed using minimum pressure in order not to distort the swallowing muscles. Muscle thickness, area, and echo intensity were analyzed using the imaging software ImageJ. Quality was expressed as values between 0 and 256. Tongue muscle mass was affected by sarcopenia. In sarcopenic dysphagia, tongue muscle mass was smaller and muscle intensity was greater than that of non-sarcopenic dysphagia. In logistic regression, tongue muscle mass and intensity were recognized as independent factors. Based on our research, we have identified cutoff values for healthy older individuals regarding tongue muscle and geniohyoid muscle mass and quality. Figure A on the left shows that the cutoff value of tongue muscle mass was 1,537 millimeters square. Figure B on the right shows that the cutoff for geniohyoid muscle intensity was 20.1. Our study showed that tongue muscle mass was smaller and tongue muscle intensity was greater in patients with sarcopenic dysphagia than in those without sarcopenic dysphagia. There are 2 factors which would improve our study. First, most subjects had mild dysphagia, not moderate or severe. If more severe patients were examined, a more significant difference in muscle quality might most likely be found. Second, whole muscle mass was defined by calf circumference. Next, we should examine whole muscle mass by DEXA or BIA to achieve more accurate results. Thank you for listening. For further details, please refer to the article in the June 2018 issue of JAMDA, the Journal of Post-Acute and Long-Term Care Medicine, which is available at jamda.com.